Nadine Evans and I work in Square Farm, which is in Micheltroy, and I've worked here now for almost 2 years. And Mr. Whittle, who owns the farm, said to me that basically Farming Connect was available and it had all these courses, and he wanted me to look at them and see what I wanted to do and how he could develop me along with Farming Connect.
My name is Rob Whittle. I'm the second generation family farm, a mixed organic with arable livestock and vegetables, and we run a small farm shop trying to produce the stuff and sell it through our own farm shop. Nadine's training courses with Farm Connect have increased her confidence.
We have, as you've seen, difficult terrain, clay slopes, and Farming Connect, through Farming Connect I was able to do a tractor course.
She's done a variety of health and welfare of animal courses, which I find her explaining things to me.
The e-learning courses have been fantastic. I can do them at home, I can do them in my own time, and they provide the theory for what I'm going to do in practice. And so to be able to actually look at a problem and say, this could potentially happen on the farm, and then to be able to put it into practice, it's a consolidation between the theory and the practical.
The training that Nadine has taken on Farming Connect courses means that she can now go and do things that I couldn't have sent her to do before.
I absolutely love machines, that's my thing. And when I wanted to do the tractor course, I got in contact with my local development officer, Lisa, and she was fantastic. She guided me through the process of filling everything in, and it was great. It really was. And Lisa always talked me through everything I needed to do. Very friendly, very approachable.
Hi, I'm Lisa Powell, Farming Connect Development Officer, covering Monmouthshire, Blaenau Gwent and Torfaen. There's a wide range of short accredited courses available with funding from Farming Connect. These come under the categories livestock, land and business. Farmers and foresters across Wales registered with Farming Connect are eligible to apply for up to 80% funding towards these courses. In order to find out more, contact your local development officer or visit the Farming Connect website.